We're gonna make Smashburgers, and this is gonna be the focal point of our backyard cookout. They're great because they're easy to make for a whole lot of people. And we can cook them indoors or out, because all we need is a pan and a spatula.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
We're gonna start off by making our secret sauce. Don't worry, I'll let you in on the secret. We start off with mayo. We add ketchup, okay? 50-50 ketchup and mayo. Relish. So these are pickles in a super sweet brine. All right, so we combine that up. It's good, it's special, it's secret. So mix it up real nice. Now you know the secret. Let's chop up our iceberg lettuce. So iceberg is good because it's gonna be robust and hold its shape. It's another classic topping on a smash burger. All right, we're gonna get some slices of onion now. We've got our little toppings platter right here. We got our onions, we got our shredded lettuce. How about some pickles? We got those on there too. All right, that's looking good. Let's smash some burgers. First thing we need is a rip-roaring cast iron pan. If you wanna do this outside on the grill, you can literally take your cast iron and put it on the grill. All right, so we've got some meat here. First thing we're gonna do is make 4 equal-sized balls. That's right, when you make a smash burger, you start with a meatball. You don't start with a patty. So we're gonna make some balls here. And the meat isn't seasoned right now either. That's gonna happen on the griddle. The pan's rip-roaring hot, so let's just put the smallest amount of oil right into the center here. And we'll take a ball, put it right on there, get our spatula, and here's where we go. We just push it straight down with all of our might. And so what we're doing is creating an unbelievable contact between the meat and the cast iron pan. You can push to the side a little, push to the side a little bit there, and that's it. 15, 20 seconds, that's it. Don't push anymore. Now the juices will come out of the meat, but at the beginning they won't. Now we season. Salt, pepper. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of mustard right here, right on the patty, just sort of like that. And we'll paint this throughout. This is gonna give us extra flavor. All right. A smash burger cooks 70 to 80% on the original side. That's how it gets so crispy. You can scrape the patty. All right. Gorgeous. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of mustard on this side too. And we'll hit it with some American cheese. American cheese is super classic. Nothing melts better. It's delicious. This burger's looking good. Let's make some more. So, scrape the surface a little bit. Here we go. So we'll put this one on the side, smash it down. All right, we hit these with salt now, pepper, and mustard. They're not always gonna be perfectly round, and that's okay. Beautiful. And let's hit that with mustard and cheese right away. You see how these cook super quickly and you're not having to like check for doneness and then follow everyone's orders for medium, medium rare, medium well, rare. None of that exists. Let's assemble a smash burger. We've got a bottom here. We're gonna come on with our secret sauce. Let's get a patty on there. Nice, let's get a double patty. And now we'll hit it with a little bit of onion. Cool. Get some shredded lettuce on there. We'll hit it with 3 pickles. And then I'm feeling extra saucy, so I'm gonna go more special sauce on the top bun too. And boom, there we have a smash burger. This looks so freaking good. It's gonna be delicious. Look at this build here, look at this stack. And it comes to only $2.27 a serving. I'm not gonna wait any longer. I'm digging in. Here we go. It tastes so delicious. I mean, it's beefy, it's salty, it's got that melty cheese, all these classic toppings. These are the best burgers on the planet, and they're especially easy because you can make them indoors or outdoors. Man, I hope you make this because it is G-O-O-D good.